In today's free Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this this interesting black and white video or even picture effect in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. To get started, drag your video clip onto the project media bin and then drag it onto the timeline. So this is the video that I'm currently using. It's basically just a Santa Claus video of Santa Claus speaking and answering a phone call. Obviously that's not him, but well, I don't know. Is it St. Nicholas fit? Alright, the next step is to go under to this Lemaitre color. If you do not have this, which most of you probably don't, if you're using Adobe Premiere Pro for the first time, go under to Window and then go under to the L and you will see Lemaitre color. Make sure that's checked marked. And now you will have it. Okay, don't do that. Double tap. Okay, don't do that. I did rope fetch. Alright, next, you want to go under to the first part in the Lemaitre color tab. Click on it. Once you're under the Lemaitre color tab, you have a list of different things. As you can see, it changes the color. Okay, so you want to click the second option under the Lemaitre color tab, which is the creative tab. And then under the look, we have all of these different looks, a ton of them. So the black and white video effect is going to be the monochrome look. See, change the video from black and white, and then you have different ones as well, all under monochrome. Boom, we got a second one right there. Makes it look a little bit different. Boom, we got a third one right here. And that's how you make your video black and white, or to get a black and white effect. And this is the before. And this is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this free online video editing tutorial. If you found value, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more free online video editing tutorials.